Hey guys, welcome back for Color of the Day. This one is for July 17th. It's the Moodstruck Minerals Pressed Blusher in the shade Sweet. And this is what it looks like. Yeah. I really like this shade right here, by the way. It's perfect for semi-natural looks. Like if you want your cheeks to have like almost like a natural shade of blush, this is perfect. But yeah, so I'm gonna see if maybe I can get it on the back of my hand for you. Like I said, it's very light and subtle. You can just barely see it on the back of my hand. See if I can get more on there for you, actually. There we go. But yeah, see, very light and subtle. I'm just gonna go ahead and move it all the way around the back of my hand. But yeah, see? Ta-da! It's not like a crazy color. It's very light, and I love it. If you're interested in getting your very own Moodstruck Minerals Pressed Blusher, specifically in this shade, ironically enough, same as my last name. Sweet! I'm not weird at all. Anywho, back to what I was saying. If you're interested in getting your very own Moodstruck Minerals Pressed Blusher in any shade, go ahead and use the link in the description of this video. Once on the website, go to shop, then select face category, and then scroll down to Moodstruck Minerals Pressed Blushers. Oh, there we go. All right, moving on. Yeah, thank you guys for hanging out with me. I know I can be a little weird sometimes. It's okay. It's okay. I will see you guys later. Bye.